Welcome back to another episode of Mythri Mosaic. As I mentioned earlier, I'm currently in Kampot, staying at the beautiful Eden Eco Village. I'm starting my day with some gentle yoga stretches because finding a calm and relaxed mind is just as important while traveling. Travel can be overwhelming at times. New places, unfamiliar food, different cultures. It's a mix of emotions. But that's what makes it so exciting. Taking care of my mental and physical health is always a priority. For me, a simple life truly feels like the greatest treasure. Travel is what keeps me alive, and being close to nature, fully present in the moment, brings a kind of peace that's hard to describe. And now, it's time for a quick, healthy breakfast. And of course, a little morning reading. It always energizes me. Choosing what to read can be difficult though. Every book feels interesting in its own way. And here is my little companion. He doesn't want to leave my side. Whether it's yoga or reading, he's always around. A little piece of pure love in the middle of all the chaos. One of the greatest lessons I have learned is to truly live in the present moment. And reading helps me slow down and do just that. Alright, time to head out. I'm exploring Bokor National Park today. Let's go. The roads are a bit bumpy, but that's part of the adventure. I have also made some friends from Poland, and we are exploring together. We have arrived at Bokor National Park. Let's take a quick coffee break. These are the moments I really enjoy. The view here is absolutely worth it. Just sitting here, taking it all in. Coffee break with a beautiful mountain view. The weather is perfect, calm and refreshing. It's time to move again. These roads actually remind me of my hometown, Chikmagalur. Our first stop, statue of Lok Yeay Mao, a towering Buddha statue standing peacefully amidst the mountains. It's a 108-meter tall, seated Buddha statue designed in the Khmer anchor style and said to become the tallest in Cambodia. It's time to move again. We've reached a beautiful destination at the top of the hills. It's called Wat Sampov Pram. It's also called the Temple of the Five Boats. It's a rustic Buddhist monastery which has a quiet, peaceful space. Built in 1924 during the reign of King Monibona, the pagoda served as a place for the king to worship whenever he visited Bokor. The wall paintings are just like hidden treasures, each one telling stories through art. Today, it attracts many visitors each year, along with monks who gather here to chant and pray, giving pagoda deep spiritual significance for the local community. Buddha is everywhere here, a symbol of peace, and I feel so grateful for his teachings and way of life. This is Bokor Lake. It is a man-made freshwater reservoir located atop Bokor National Park. Surrounded by misty landscapes, it's a perfect spot to relax, enjoy the view, and even try a bit of fishing. And it's time to move again. It's one of the oldest surviving Roman Catholic churches in Cambodia. The Church of Mount Bokor, also known as the Old Catholic Church of Bokor Mountain, is a historic stone church built by the French in the 1920s. Despite years of conflict, including the Khmer Rouge era, it still stands strong as one of the few remaining colonial structures in the area. With its moss-covered walls and foggy atmosphere, it has become a striking and moody spot, especially loved by photographers. Known for its haunting beauty, the church is often surrounded by mist, offering panoramic views over the Gulf of Thailand. Just look at this view, totally worth the journey, a perfect moment to pause and reflect. And it's time to move again. There's another must-visit spot ahead where rocks, flowing water, and sunlight come together so beautifully. Forest, river. It's the perfect combination of nature. So calm and so refreshing. Popokvil is a beautiful waterfall located in Bokor National Park. Its Khmer name translates to swirling clouds, perfectly capturing the misty, magical landscape that surrounds it. Spending time in nature always brings a sense of calm I can't find anywhere else. Time to move again. And now, one of the favorite scenes, the salt fields of Kampot. Stretch wide under the open sky, where locals carefully harvest salt using traditional methods. It's slow, steady work, but there's something peaceful about watching it all unfold. stretching endlessly into the distance, with people quietly working under the open sky. No crowds, just pure nature. Now we are heading back towards the city. Finding that balance again. Kampot is such a cozy town, famous for pepper plantations, beautiful mountain views, and a peaceful vibe. Something special about Kampot. It's a perfect mix of nature, calm streets, and cozy cafes. The music fountain lights up the evening with colors and rhythm, creating a lively and relaxing atmosphere. It's simple but beautiful to just stand and watch. It's a peaceful little show to end the day. And now it's time to head back to my room. Signing off from Eden Eco Village. Thank you for being here.